The typewriter, introduced in the 19th century, revolutionized the way people communicated. Its absence would mean a slower, more tedious writing process, relying heavily on handwritten letters, leading to more mistakes and illegibility. This shift would hinder the rapid spread of ideas during pivotal eras like the Industrial Revolution. Additionally, professional environments, including offices and journalism, would lack the efficiency we take for granted today, affecting everything from record-keeping to storytelling. Ultimately, the absence of the typewriter would dramatically change how we document history and share information.